Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can trade on investing.com. To do so, first of all, just open up investing.com on your Google Chrome browser. After opening it up, you just have to scroll or go onto your markets option on the top left side of the screen. If you hover over your mouse, you can see all of these options appear. Now select any one kind of option that you want to trade in. And for now, I'm going to choose stocks. Here, after choosing for stocks, it will take you to the stocks, codes and prices option or page, where if you scroll down, you can see all the stocks option that there are for you to trade. For now, I'm going to choose Microsoft. You can choose any kind of stocks that you wish. And if you scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see a option for trade here or above your bullish, and you can see that it will take you to this kind of screen where now you are able to select a broker to start trading. Here Xnest is a broker for you to trade. If you click on start trading, it will take you to the Xnest page where now you should create an account on Xnest to be able to trade those stocks on Microsoft. And this is a easy process on how you can trade on your investing.com. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video.